Hi everyone, this is May with Hunter's Customer Success Team, and today we are going to be reviewing how to find email addresses based off of a company or domain name in the domain search. Let's get started. If we are not already there, we can go ahead and navigate to the Finder tab on our sidebar navigation panel to bring up the domain search. To get started, we're just going to go ahead and start typing in our company name here. Keep in mind, if you are using a company name and not a domain, companies can have similar names to one another, as we see here, so please ensure you're clicking the correct URL match for your company. You can see our search results start populating immediately, and we'll always have access to the first 10 email addresses in a given domain. You can either jump right into prospecting here, or you can use our filters to narrow down your search a bit more. In the domain search, we have 3 different types of filters available. The first one is going to be email type. The options for that are personal, such as johnsmith@company.com, or generic, such as info@company.com. Today, I'll select personal and apply those filters. Next, we also have a department filter available, where we can select which departments we'd like to see results from. We can select one or multiple departments. And lastly, we can choose to show only results with certain data points available using this filter, such as phone number, position, or full name. If you'd like to export any of the results from the domain search, you can easily do so by clicking that export button. You will have the option to choose how many email addresses you'd like to export from this domain, up to the first 5,000. You can also choose to include the sources in your output file to see where Hunter got the email address from. And you can also verify the email addresses at the same time, but please do note that option will charge verification credits as well. And of course, Hunter will always show you the credit cost of your download before you perform the action. If you'd instead like to prospect through these results one by one, you can easily do so, and we have several actions you can take for these leads as you're on the domain search page. For example, you can easily save your leads either to your general lead list or to a specific lead list. You can even create a new one if nothing you have fits. You can also choose to add leads to an existing or new campaign directly from this page. You can click on any of the email addresses shown to copy them right to your clipboard. And of course, you can always click See More in order to prospect through additional leads. When you're looking at each individual lead record, you will see all available data points for that lead, such as their name, their position title, social media profiles, and even a phone number if available. You'll also see either a verification badge here or the option to verify the email address. You can see all of these emails have been pre-verified and include their verification status along with their confidence score. But if you ever do run into email addresses that have not been pre-verified by Hunter, we give you the option to do so. And finally, each lead will also come with a list of sources readily available. This is where Hunter found the email address, and we will always show you the date associated with this source as well. If instead a source has been removed, we will denote that for you as well. Lastly, as you're prospecting through these domains, if you would like any additional information on the company, keep in mind that Hunter will always have a small blurb on the company available here with a description, links to their website and LinkedIn profiles, information on the domain and email pattern, as well as demographic information. You can also click here to see what technologies this company is using, and you can see I'm already following Hunter.io, but if I wasn't, I would have the option to do so here to stay up to date with any news or new email addresses that become available. That's all for today's overview on the domain search, but of course if you have any additional questions on getting started with your search, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team via chat here or via email at contact@hunter.io. Thanks so much.